Sometimes I'm asked, what are the most common causes of birth injuries? And oftentimes the birth injuries occur right around the moment of delivery. And the most common cause of the birth injury will be a lack of oxygen or some event that takes place, either a failure to perform a C-section in a timely manner, a breached baby that stays in position for too long. There could be other things that occur with underdeveloped lungs. So typically when a bad birth occurs, it usually occurs right around the moment the baby is born, and it usually relates to a lack of oxygen. The reason these types of cases are so tragic is because within a matter of minutes, an entire life can be changed. Just those few matter of minutes where oxygen is lacking or decreased usually can result in permanent and lifelong injuries. If you have a relative or a child that you think may have a condition because of a lack of oxygen at the time of birth, it is worth looking into. Feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to talk to you and answer any questions that you have.